Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We're looking good and we're ready to go. It is a very, very nice day outside today. Beautiful out. 78 degrees. Clear blue skies. Sunny. I mean, it is like the perfect day. We got Frank first in the chat. Ryan the Rapper second in the chat. Frank. We got Ryan. Frank. Ryan. We got Dial Up Gorilla. Ryan. Dial Up. Ryan Gorilla. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's take a look at the overall market in a second, but man, Sloth Ona is still looking solid on the day today. Had a little bit of a pullback right after the live stream. I promise it wasn't me. Right after the live stream, I saw somebody take a $224,000 sale. Dropped the price from about the current level all the way down to 3.9 cents. And then the dip buying opportunity began and people began to buy, sending it right back up to 4.9 cents. So very, very huge profit for somebody out there. But let's take a look at the overall market right now because things are looking very good today. You've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen finishing 79% higher today. Guess who's back? Back again. Kitty's back. Tell a friend. Roaring Kitty is back, guys. At least that's what he tweeted or posted out on X. He had a nice little trailer. And this absolutely confirms that Adam Aaron is, and look, I say this with as little respect as possible, and it is opinion, but like the wording is going to be opinion, but the overall statement is a fact. Adam Aaron is a parasite to the price of AMC. Adam Aaron is toxic to the price of AMC. Adam Aaron does not care about money for retail investors. He doesn't care about squeezing, and he doesn't care about you and I making money. He cares about AMC and himself making money. This is obvious that one tweet from one kid who has nothing to do with AMC and everything to do with the movement, coming back, tweeting that he is back, drives GameStop up 75%. But then why? He's not even related to AMC. AMC soars 79%. Adam Aaron is a plague to the short squeeze movement. If he gets out of the deal and it is back on to retail investors, movement like today should pretty much solidify that anything is possible in this scenario. But you have to take the dilutive factor out, and you have to take Adam Aaron out of the equation if you expect good things. So right now, GameStop sitting even after hours, AMC sitting even after hours, Shiba Inu Coin up 7.5% of the day today, 2,350 points per coin. Bitcoin back up above $63,000, 3+% gain on the day today. NASDAQ sitting 0.29% higher. You've got Dogecoin 10% higher. Ethereum 2% higher. SHIB 7.5% higher. Bitcoin 3.18% higher. The SPY doing very well today. The SPY closing just above even today. Let's put it that way. The QQQ 0.25% higher today. Mullen Auto, 5% loss on the day. Sundial, $2.40, 4.5% higher. You got Netflix, $6.16. MPW, $5.57, a 16.5% gain in MPW today. Tesla, $171.89. Amazon, $186.24. And Apple, falling off into the close here, going from $187 to $186, and still closing beautifully 1.76% higher on the day. We are, of course, going to watch Bitcoin down in the middle left hand or side of the screen as the after hours trade rolls on. Call's on the rise. Dial up. Let's get it. Let's take a look at call real quick. Good day, bros. What's going on? Oh my gosh, one of these hard names. Is it Johan? Is it Johannes? Johannes? Johans? Dude, you get a very, very difficult name for me to pronounce. I'm very sorry about that. If you could spell it phonetically, you might be able to help me out. But Johan, man, sorry if I'm getting your name wrong. It's a tough one. I never see. Trading crap coins, as always, sexiest man alive. And if you're making money, I like it, dude. What do we got? Rated Silva, hello to you as well. DD214 in the chat. Heck yeah. Where is Call? Call. Sloth Ona still doing very, very well. Let's check out Call right here. CAW. Crow with Knife. Crow with Knife on the rise. 5% gain today. And you guys remember talking about this a couple of days ago, right? I think it was, it might have been on this candle on Friday. Monday, Sunday, Saturday. Yeah, it might have been on this candle on Friday, right? We said that if it confirms a move down below this yellow line, I would probably be very cautious and expect to move down to this next yellow line at 7 zeros and a 1. Now, it did wick down hard below this line, losing 50% from the yellow line down to the bottom of the wick, but recovered beautifully from there, right? Now, if you're looking at that level, this level was not confirmed broken, but it definitely wicked down, came right back up. So right now, this 7 zeros and a 6 is still holding up as support. So very, very nicely done. But what is it doing? It is trading in a trader's paradise. It is using the first level of what was support, now is resistance. Bouncing off that level today, getting a little bit of a pullback there. And of course, now you're going to be trending in this channel until it's broken one way or the other. So hopefully for everybody that's in call, hopefully it breaks out to the upside and once again tests that 6 zeros and a 1 level. Well, those are the levels you're looking at right there. And yes, it is looking very, very good today, Dial-Up Survivor. Another one that we haven't talked about yet today, Catamoto, guys. Catamoto doing okay. All right, I've got a lot of Catamoto considering its market cap and so on, so I've not added. I still got that little random number, and which makes it a little bit more difficult to know how much money I have in it, just looking at the price and off the top of my head. But who cares? So bouncing off that 0005 level beautifully, which is where it's used as support since it launched. That's the pre-sale price level. And coming up, and I don't know if it's forming resistance or if it's just slowly and steadily rising right now, but currently sitting at 3 zeros and about a 7, 69. So if it breaches this level and gets back up above the yellow line, it is going to be much, much more bullish. And I would love to see a breakout. Guys, if Catamoto 10x's from these current levels, it is going to reach the same market cap as Sloth Ona. All right, Sloth Ona earlier today, about I don't know the exact number, $110 million market cap. Sloth Ona had done very, very well, and a 10x increase would take Catamoto to $110 million market cap. The crazy thing is, right, Catamoto does have less holders, but Catamoto actually has more social media kind of reach and impressions. So it is a very high likelihood or a very, very high possibility that Catamoto can do very, very similar things there. Let's see. Hola, dial up. Afternoon, broskies. What's go? Oh, he's got this one. What's going on, Dark Bro? Glad to have you. Solbit. What is Solbit? Is that a token? Golly, man, it's warm in this room today. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, this was a good one. This was a good one. Soul bets, ladies and gentlemen. Soul Street's bets. Like Wall Street bets, man. Soul Street bets taking advantage of all the GameStop. Kitty. Is this Roaring Kitty? Yeah. Oh my goodness, dude. And this one has been out for a long time as well. Dude, Kitty having been out for over a month now, he announces his comeback today, and it went from 3 zeros and a 2, 100x gains. 130, 140x gains today. And it was actually about 200%, 200x gains. 200 to 300x gains when it tapped its high here on the day. Roaring Kitty making a comeback, and a lot of people making a lot of money in Kitty. Wow, man. Wow. So congratulations to anybody that owned Kitty right there. That's insane. but Soul Bets trying to take advantage of the popularity of the Wall Street Bets situation, and they're doing very, very well on the day today. Let's see. Yeah, you know what? Still not really confirming a break down from this level here. So bouncing nicely off that ascending trend line and continuing to move higher. What does that tell me? That tells me, golly, ball, man, 91,000, 100,000% increase today. Jeez Louise, dude. 3 zeros and a 3 to 2 zeros and 10x gaining from very, very shortly after launch. Insane, man, how much money some of these tokens are making. Guys, listen, we're in a bull market, right? I'm not going to tell you what to go out there and buy. I'm not going to tell you any of that stuff. We can present all of the opportunities. Okay, I can buy into some that you don't buy into, and you can buy into some that I don't buy into. But holy smokes, man. If we're in a bull market and this stuff is ripping, ride it. Ride it. Take some profit, man. And if you got to stick around for the bear market and load up to ride it one more time before generational wealth, do it. Don't be afraid, man. Make some money in the stinking market. That's what a lot of people are doing today. Bender, what's going on, Bender? He says, yo, dudes, glad to have you in here, Bender. I just sculpted and got 2.2 million more. So proud of myself. You don't understand. I usually lose. Hey, Dogecoin 1 million, man. I think maybe you meant scalped. Okay? You may have meant sculpted. I don't know. You might use different terminology than I do. But you might mean scalped. What did you scalp, dude? What did you scalp? I don't know what you're trading there that you were able to pick up 2.2 million more. If you're talking about SHIB, if you're talking about Pepe, I don't know what you're talking about that you're scalping. But very, very nicely done, man. Very nicely done. You know what, guys? I don't know how active, I don't know if Dogecoin 1 million or 1M is terribly active in the chat. But congratulate this dude, man. You know, there's 85 people in here in Dogecoin. A lot of us experience losses, right? But you need to celebrate these wins, and you need to replicate what you did there. So, guys, throw a little congratulations, fist bump, Dogecoin, or whatever. Sorry, shit. Hey, no problem. But, dude, throw a little fist bump out to this dude for hitting a win. I love it, man. Scalping, making some money, adding some more. Very nicely done, man. We're going to celebrate wins together. I like it, man. Dark Bro, let's go. Dark Bro, need Kusama to go 500 to 1,000. YFDAI to 5,000 plus, baby. Let's get started. Dark Bro, heck yeah. You know, according to the, I ain't got no worries, Dark Bro. According to the 8-ball, that's exactly where those tokens are going. So I have no worries on that, man. You're going to be hitting, and you're going to be hitting hard on Kasama and YFDAI. So let's get started. Heck yeah, man. I'm up 15K on SHIB. How's that for a trading strategy guys? That's excellent, man. That is excellent. That is exactly what we want to see in here. I'm telling you, dude. Now, look, don't let some sort of a bear market or I don't know, Gary Gensler comes out and decides to sue your mom or something like that. Not your mom specifically. I'm just saying that because Gary Gensler likes to sue everybody. But, you know, if he decides to do something stupid, don't let it pull back. Trade it, buy it back in, whatever you got to do, man. But, yes, that is an amazing win, dude. And then you've got Johnny K killing it. He's killing it on Sloth Ona today, man. Everybody's winning. I love it. Clearly, that's on what AMC and GME will do, considering Roaring Kitty's late in the afternoon tweets. Now, DD214, I did not see his tweets this afternoon. Maybe I can. I'm not logged in. Oh, you know what? Let me pull him up. I retweeted him here. It'd be easier for me to see him here. Let me see what he tweeted this afternoon. Alright, this dude's just tweeting a lot of videos, right? A lot of memes. Whatever the heck this guy's doing, right? I don't know. I don't know if this is his strategy, if this was his style back in the day, or what. But he is definitely back with a vengeance right now. And he is getting a lot of attention. DD214, just to be very clear with you. if people rally around Roaring Kitty, if kind of this entire, it's not going to take off on one day, right? But if everybody gets back into the mindset that they can squeeze the hedge funds and all of that, I will say this. It is possible that we do see a major rally in these stocks like we did before. 10, 20, 30x increases or more, right? But I'll say this, dude. Adam Aron will never let AMC rise 10x. He will never allow that to happen. He will dilute the crap out of you with more shares than he has, or come up with some fake AMC ape shares play to make even more money and take it out of the stock. A perfect combination would be what we saw take place in 2021 in terms of just viral sort of content. But you cannot have these guys in charge, and you cannot have these guys making decisions like Adam Aron that are willing to dilute you. It will be the death for a second time of any sort of a short squeeze. Please be very well aware of that. Let's see. It took 3 years. I love it. Trading strategy. I love it, man. Welcome back. How's RLC? Let's take a look at it, man. Oh, and no, begin the Shiba bull run. Oh, wait. Maybe I was MIA. Moji. Yo, Mr. MIA. Somebody MIA. Let's see. When was Shiba begin the bull run? Top, Shiba Inu Coin most likely begin the bull run as Bitcoin is ripping up, hitting new all-time highs, and so on. So very, very heavily dependent on the overall market sentiment right now. Moji! 30 months of bro, man. I love it. Where does the time go? I have no idea. 36-month new moniker coming up. Heck yeah, man. What did you decide on, Clay? With a... I have not decided yet, Moji. I got a couple of days left, right? I think Stephanie Bro or J Bones is gonna be the first to hit it there. And since Stephanie's not nearly as active in the chat as J Bones is, I think J Bones is gonna be the first to hit it. So we'll have to see, man. But yeah, I'm gonna have to come up with a new little icon for anybody that hits 36 months, and I gotta do it very, very quickly. GPU, Tor, Pow. Let's take a look at some of those. Oh, J-Bones is in the chat, man. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I want to learn about crypto trading. Could you help me? Yes, Mary. I can absolutely help you. If you've got any specific questions, please ask them. If you don't have any specific questions, first place you got to start if you're brand new, you got to find an exchange, right? You got to find in the easiest one. I don't know if you're located in the United States or what, but you've got Coinbase, you've got KuCoin, Binance. There's a lot of links in the descriptions of all my videos. It is easiest to start on a centralized exchange. From there, you need to learn about decentralized wallets, cold storage wallets, and decentralized exchanges, okay? But don't overwhelm yourself at the very beginning. Just get accustomed to an exchange. If you're in the United States, Coinbase is very easy. If you're outside the United States, you get links for KuCoin, you get links for Binance, and so on. So you're going to have to figure out an exchange that you like to use, user interface on their app, and you can build from there. Let's see here. Rookie numbers. Brian, he's got them rookie numbers right there. You know what I noticed? At least this is what I see on Robinhood, but Shiba and Ethereum have almost identical graphs. Is there a reason for that? Yeah, so Hamza Khan, man. Shiba and Ethereum have almost identical graphs, but you can even look at Dogecoin, you can look at Bitcoin, and all of them have nearly identical graphs. No, that is it's not necessarily a coincidence. It's not just on Robinhood. What happens is that Bitcoin has such a gravitational pull on the entire cryptocurrency market that if Bitcoin is going up, it inspires other coins to go up as well. So it is so big. It's like I equate it to the sun, right? If the sun is moving, the planets are moving along with it. Same deal for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is moving, the altcoins are moving along with it. Now, when altcoin season or even memecoin season begins, you may see better gains in things like Shiba Inu Coin, outpacing gains in Bitcoin. And that's the cyclical nature from going from kind of risk off or being saturated in the heavier coins and getting greedy and getting very, very aggressive and going for those larger token plays, like or larger risk plays. So, you know, instead of making an additional 10% on Bitcoin, you're going to make an additional 10x on getting in something like Sloth Ona, right? So you can definitely see the smaller tokens outpacing the larger tokens during the top greedy period of a bull market. Right now, we're following Bitcoin. So I think you're good to notice that. Let's see. Clay, isn't your birthday this month? DD214, my birthday is this month, man. May 26th is my birthday. Anybody know how old I'm going to be? Does anybody remember how old I'm going to be? Golly, dude, getting old. What do you say about Punk? Let's take a look at Punk, man. It is so warm in this room. I need to turn the air conditioner on today. 78 degrees. I didn't know it was going to get to 80. I should go down there and turn the air on right now. Like I feel like it's really, really warm in here. I feel like it's probably 82 degrees in this room. 36, 16. May 26. He's right on that. Put on the counter last year. Bones a stalker. I bet he is. I think I'm going to be 35. I think I'm going to be 35. 1989 to now. Gotta be 35, right? So, gonna be 35 in, jeez, what is that? Only 13 days away. Holy smokes. Let's pull up Punk real quick. Dang it, dude. Sloth Ona back at that 5 cent level, man. The buys just keep buying. By the way, this is the candle, man, where that dude came in and sold $224,000. Look at this. It's already been surpassed. $224,000. The $224,000 dip was eaten up in 10 minutes, by the way. I mean, you can see it. Some dude came out and sold $224,000, and everybody was like, so? Let's just buy it. And they bought it right back up to those levels in a matter of 10 minutes. So that should show you some major strength. Some major strength in Sloth Ona there. Punk! Is it Punk? Ponky? I don't know how to say it, man. 13% gain on the day today. $2.97 million in liquidity. $84 million market cap. The 5-minute chart looks beautiful. Let's check out the daily, see where it's at overall. All right. Hey, man. That looks like a very, very nice graph to me. Cup and handling up beautifully. Cup and handling up beautifully. Cup and handling. This is a very strange graph. But, I mean, dude, I don't know what's going on here. But I mean, play this one as best you can. I don't know where the best place to. I don't know if it's gonna come back down that far. But dude, when it rips up to here, okay, the last 4 times that it did, that's your resistance. If you would have done this, right? Let's get out of that first day. If you would have bought this one, 1.5 cents, rode it up to 10 cents, you're sitting on a 6x gain. Okay? You came back down to this support level, you bought it at 3 cents, rode it up to 16 cents, another 4x, 5x gain. You're talking about a 30x gain overall. You had to come back down here to the ascending support line that you've already got on the graph. You're buying it at 6 cents. You're riding it up to 20 cents. Another 3x gain. You're talking about the 30 to a 90x gain there. Okay, didn't make it all the way down yet. Might be going up to test this one. So I don't know if you would have theoretically gotten back in at this point. But, dude, play this one to the technicals. I mean, Punk is looking textbook right there. 4.9 cents on Sloth Ona, still looking very, very good. It's 35 in stock years or human years. DD214, 35 in stock years. If you were looking at stock graphs for 35 years, oh, dude, you'd probably look like you were about 350 years old, man. No different than dog years there. You'd age every year. You look at stocks and crypto and charts. You age 10 years. So Yeah. Keep looking at them long enough, man, and I'm pretty much the equivalent of like an 85-year-old man now. Let's see. What you say? The price of Shiba Inu Coin in 2030. Clash Clan, man. I have no idea. 2030 is so far away. 6 years is so stinking far. I mean, if you just go 6 years back, we are nowhere near compared to what we have going on now. In terms of literally everything. Dude, you go 6 years back, man, the political hate was nothing compared to what it is now. The technology was nothing compared to what it is now. It's just crazy how much things change in 6 years. And because everything is on an exponential curve, I think it could be even more insane 6 years from now. So, dude, $1 million coins could be trading at $1 trillion 6 years from now. It might be nothing for the top coins to all be hitting $1 trillion market caps. Elon Musk and the richest guys in the world, they could crack the $1 trillion mark in 6 years. It is a very long time in terms of advancement. Shouldn't have cut my hair today. I already got gray hairs. That ain't right. Yeah. Dark bro, man. I'm going to need to cut my hair here pretty soon. But, dude, you're like 23, Dark bro. You don't have no gray hair. That's a wild statement, my friend. So AMC short squeeze in play again. William, in my opinion, the AMC short squeeze will never be in play as long as Adam Aaron is at the wheel. So no, I don't think a short squeeze is in play right now. However, I do believe if Adam Aaron is done with AMC, what we saw on the graph today, and you guys can see AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, or it's the middle top left, but you could see, man, a 79% daily gain and an additional 12% after-hours gain right now. AMC testing the $6 level, it's fairly obvious, and with GameStop ripping back up to 31, it's fairly obvious that retail is rallying right now, and they're rallying on Roaring Kitty. So yes, okay, if retail continues to rally, if we get to the same level of sentiment that we had in 2020, 2021, but you remove the dilution and you remove kind of the parasites that drained the squeeze potential in the first place, like Adam Aaron, I do think it's possible, man. I think it's possible. I've seen crazy things happen, and I know that anything is possible at this point. But I know it's not possible with a guy sitting there waiting to dilute you. Dude, I'm 35. Heck yeah, man. I'll be 30 soon enough. Bender, there you go. You and me both, bro. You and me both. I feel 59. Yeah, dude, you look at the charts too long if you do feel like that. Young bucks. Young bucks. Dude, we're getting old there, J-Bones. We're getting old. Bro, I'm saying this now, and I will easy get to $10 trillion market cap. Where's all the money going to go? Bro, I'm saying this now. We will easily get to $10 trillion market cap. Where's all the money? Dude, are you talking? I don't know what you're specifically talking about. If you're talking about Bitcoin, if you're talking about the overall crypto market cap, if you're talking about SHIB or what? Means I got more time to make that money. Bender, yes it does. It's forecast on Fetch AI. Arun, let's take a look at it, man. 100 degrees here today. Yeah, dude, it feels like 100 degrees in this room right now. It's 78 and sunny outside, but dude, I'm sitting here sweating, man. Let's see. So we're going to be super cool here for this time of year. Low 60s. Time it's all 59 degrees time, man. Let's see here. Whole market cap. All right, yeah. Dude, I believe that. I believe that. Oh, Fetch AI. I'm like, what the heck was I just going to look at? Fetch. All right. Why can I not see it? I have no idea. I don't know why I can't pull it up there. If I could pull it up, I'd show you, but I do not see Fetch AI anywhere. Is it just FECH? What do you think about Pepe? Pepe is ripping today, man. Pepe hit new all-time highs today. A very, very good look. Sitting here up 15% to 102 or 1012 at the moment. Dude, $4.2 billion market cap. Anybody who ever bought Pepe is making money, unless you bought it a little bit earlier today at these intraday highs. Of course, then you are losing a little bit of money right now. But yeah, man, Pepe doing very, very well, and hopefully it continues on. Money will mainly go into Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum. Yeah. I mean, dude, the vast majority of money always goes into the largest tokens. But the smaller tokens, even if they get a fraction of the money, because they have much lower market caps and smaller liquidity pools, you can see crazy gains along the way in a lot of these meme coins, man. Shot an 84 today. Is that good? I don't know if that's good or not. Were you playing 9? You playing 9 holes or 18? Yeah, he's probably playing 9 holes. That's my guess. Probably playing 9 holes. Let's see. Dang, great round. Yeah, that is a great round, man. 84. 84 on the back 9. Not bad. Hit it on the water 9. Got 358 AMC at 428. A gaming kiddo. Is it kiddo? Gaming kiddo? Okay, maybe gaming kiddo G. Maybe that's what it is. 358 shares at 428. Very nicely done, man. You're making some money. Let me say this, dude. Don't let it come back down. Okay? AMC is doing phenomenally today. It is up after hours. GameStop performing phenomenally today. You got it at 4 something. It's sitting at $6 and something. You're up 17% after hours. The very first chance Adam Aaron has at ruining these gains, he will take it. So just make sure you get out before Adam Aaron ruins your gains. I don't know who's going to ruin the gains over here in GameStop, but it's probably less of a chance of anybody ruining those gains there. Yeah, dude, just watch out, man. First chance Adam Aaron gets, he's gonna be taking your money from you. Fetch AI, bro, my bad. Hey, no problem at all. All right. This one. Is it this one? This one. All right. I don't know why I couldn't find it. Fetch. Ooh, $1.8 billion market cap here. This is a large token. Not doing too much on the monthly. Annual graph looks beautiful, though, man. 8x increase since October. Annual graph looks beautiful. All right. So, look. It's a very interesting place if you're thinking about buying into Fetch AI right now. It is clearly set up resistance in that $3 range. So if you do decide to buy in, which you absolutely could, all right, you're at that $2 level of support. Tapped it, and tapping it right now. So every time over the last couple of months here, Fetch AI has held up at this $2 level. If you're a little bit more aggressive and you want to buy in as it bounces off $2, buy in as it bounces off $2. You get a nice 50% gain before you see major resistance again in that $3 range. However, because it rose so quickly here, if you fall through that $2 level, you got like 1 day's resistance at $1. Then you're all the way back down to 50 cents. And if that don't hold, you come back down to 20 cents. 90% potential decline. So just be very aggressive if you are getting in, and hopefully it rips up, eats that $3 level, because if it does, you have no resistance left on the chart, and you can run as high as people are willing to take it. Adam Aaron is going to reverse split at 550. Yeah, man, Trey Connor, dude. I think that Adam Aaron will take the first chance he can at diluting the shares of AMC. So please, just be careful, right? Just be careful. J-Bones, laughing at 9 holes, man. What's wrong with 9 holes? J-Bones, you guys don't play 9, you play 18? Bro, tell me about SHIB. I made a lot lose on SHIB. When will hit 0003? Little deeds. I made a lot lose on SHIB. I don't know if you made a lot or if you lost a lot on SHIB. It's kind of a confusing statement there. But when will it hit 0003? That level that you're talking about there is roughly $150 billion market cap. So it is going to take a lot of money flowing into Shiba Inu Coin to talk about those levels. You're talking probably tens of billions of dollars flowing in. Couple things that could create tens of billions of dollars flowing in. Number one, regulatory clarity. If, look, the current administration hates cryptocurrency. They've made that very clear. A catalyst that could truly drive things that direction. The other candidate, YouTube hates it, and some of you guys start crying if you mention people's names. The other candidate said he's more than happy to embrace crypto and create an environment where the smartest minds in crypto flourish here in the United States. If that's the case, you could see a major bull market rally. Number one, that could bring in the potential for a lot of new ETFs. If Shiba Inu Coin and Ethereum tokens are qualified for ETFs, you could see billions or tens of billions of dollars flowing in to things like Shiba Inu Coin. So there's a lot that needs to take place to reach those levels. We're not there yet, but things could change and we could get to those levels. And man, dude, Sloth Ona, the buys must be pouring in right now. 1,300, 10,000, 2,000. You got a lot of big buys coming in. A $37,000 buy right there. 1,200, 200, 100, $2,900. Yeah, man, that's 39. What was it? $39,000 buy. $37,000 buy. Ripping that price up, and now the gains are forming again. Coming off that 3.9 cent level that Sloth Ona hit earlier this afternoon, bouncing back beautifully right now, coming up to test 5.06 cents again. And man, if it continues to roll, you had a little bit of a dip buying opportunity this afternoon, guys. Maybe it might double top at this 5 cent level. You never know. Trade it if you guys are wanting to trade it. But man, I hope it rips for everybody sitting here holding it. Sloth Ona is on an absolute tear. Yo, bro, go check Dirty Street Cats. I made that token. Orange juice. Dirty Street. 5.1 cents, dude. Sloth Ona is on a freaking tear right now. All right, Dirty Street Cats. I don't know where you guys come up with this stuff, man. Dirty Street Cats. Let's look at the daily. 905 holders. All right. Hey, man, you actually got a very nice bull flag sitting here. First couple of days, you absolutely soared in value, right? And I'm sure this was on listings and so on. You probably were trending on Dex Tools during this day right here with $1 million in volume. But, yeah, dude, you actually got a very nice bull flag forming on the chart right there. I don't know if you need that one. But clearly, that's what your flag looks like, right? So ripped up on launch. You've been consolidating down into this little level right here. Still stuck in it. But man, if you break that and then you break the all-time high, Dirty Little Street Cats could be looking pretty good, man. So congratulations. $750,000 market cap is incredible. And that's a lot of money in the liquidity pool with 905 holders. So doing a very, very good job there, man. Congratulations on Dirty Street Cats. Let's see. Prediction about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, it hit an all-time high in a couple of weeks. Ethereum? No. I don't think Ethereum's going to hit an all-time high in the next couple of weeks. Bitcoin's about, what, a 10-15% move away from an all-time high. So that is a possibility. I don't think Ethereum is going to hit an all-time high in the next couple of weeks, but I do think that it does hit an all-time high. Right? I do think that Ethereum goes up to an all-time high again. Let's see. So you're back on live now. Thought you lost your faith. Twan, man, I think you might have me confused with somebody else. You could clearly just go back and check the videos. They've been live. I've been live every single weekday, unless I've been hanging out with my grandpa or there's a couple times when I went on vacation, but I don't think I went on vacation at all last year. I have been live every single day during the week for the last 3.5 years. So, I don't know, Twan, you're talking about somebody else, man. Talking about somebody else. I sure hope the grid doesn't go offline and my coins disappear. The Flame Guy. Yeah, so if the grid goes offline, it would be worldwide. Okay? Now, I will tell you this, dude. If the entire world loses internet connection, I don't think you're going to care about your coins. I'm just putting it that way, right? If the entire world goes offline, I don't think you're going to care about your crypto. I don't think you're going to care about the money in your bank. I don't think you're going to care about going to work tomorrow. I don't think you're going to care about anything except protecting and providing for you and your family. So no issues or worries whatsoever if the grid goes down, and we're not going to be worried about our crypto at that point. We're going to be worried about many, many different things. But right now, dude, look at Sloth Ona, man. Look at Sloth Ona. Right now, right back to the levels. You guys can see that red line on the screen. Right back to the levels where I took profit earlier after a crazy, like 25% dip that a lot of people have already eaten up. So Sloth Ona ripping back up beautifully right now after a nice decline. I did not add any back in on that dip. Just, I don't know, wasn't the right opportunity for me. I don't think it pulled back to any major levels of support. But one big guy coming out there and selling $225,000 worth, and people have already eaten that dip and then added some on top of it. Let's see. Hoorah! What's the latest on Honorarium? Let's check out Honorarium. I haven't looked at that chart in a couple of days, man. She had storm cramps since Wednesday, and since Saturday, she's throwing up everything she eats. My gosh, dude. Read my last message, Clay. Let's see. Shimmery's in the hot. Oh my gosh, dude. Crypto Rocketeer and Shamaree. Almost got it wrong. I don't know if Shamaree's listening right now, right? But Shamaree, I don't know. You're in the hospital, right? I don't know if you want this or not, but we'll be praying for you, okay? Because clearly you've got something going on that is absolutely terrible. Cramps since Wednesday, throwing up everything you eat. That's tragic. So, Crypto Rocketeer, man. If she's not listening right now, I'm very sorry to hear that. The bros are with you. But, dude, that's got to be scary, man. That's got to be scary. So, you've got peace, you've got joy, and you've got a lot to look forward to, man. Everybody's going to be okay in that situation. No issues, nothing to worry about. And I'm telling you right now, man, Crypto Rocketeer, she's got, so stomach cramps since Wednesday and throwing up everything you eat. Clearly something's going on there, man, and everything is going to be okay. So Crypto Rocketeer, very, very sorry to hear that. I hope you're okay. She's definitely going to be okay, man. So no worries, man. Let's see. Tested for what? H? Pylori. Dude, Moji's the freaking man, dude. Moji's diagnosing people from overseas. Moji, yeah. I don't know why I clicked that button. Moji, you're the man, dude. Let's see. Brian might have to. What did Brian say? Get balls, club, and net dark, bro. Work it out. Do it. Get balls, club, and net dark, bro. Work it out. What do we need a net for? We golfing with a net? What's happening? Oh, he's just hitting. Oh, he's hitting. Yeah, you could do that. You could, dude. Dark Bro just had his life revolutionized. Just had his life revolutionized by Brian there. I like it, man. I was going to click on something. Somebody wanted to see a token. Which one did they want to see? I forget what token one of you guys just wanted to see. Get it back in the chat while I answer Alien Head Intelligence. So Alien Head Intelligence. Make it your opinion. Sell, hold, or sell or hold after Doge Verse launches. So this is what I am going to be looking at and what I am going to be doing. You could do whatever you want, okay? But all of these pre-sales that I've watched launch over the last 2-3 months, what I see happen is they launch, and there is a anywhere from 50% to 200% increase on launch day, right? Usually a little bit earlier on. And dude, those are phenomenal gains, okay? Those are phenomenal gains. So I will put it this way. I will be claiming, hopefully, as early as I can, right? I have every intention on, depending on when the launch is and all of that, I have every intention on waking up, claiming my tokens, and watching it trade. Now, knowing that if I may see a steep pullback at 50%, amen. I see you guys, and not you specifically, but I see you guys buy into these pre-sales, and I see you guys panic so stinking quick and sell off for literally no reason that I am very likely to take profit, okay? If I see a 100 to 200% increase on launch day, I will be taking profit, because I know when everybody starts waking up and claiming, you guys are most likely going to panic and sell, and then it results in a lower price. So I look at it this way, man. If I can essentially guarantee a 50 to 200% increase on day one, I'm booking profit. From there, I actually do believe in Doge Verse, okay? Almost all of these pre-sales that do very, very well selling out, they panic sell, and everybody who believes in it holds, and then it really does rebound for 5, 6, 10x gains. You can look at Doge 20, you can look at Sloth Ona here. You can see that these tokens that have done well in pre-sales, they truly do well. But, I mean, you can buy back in, or you can at least take your initial investment out and then ride with just house money. So those are my intentions. I do believe that Doge Verse can do extremely well long term. I think they can build an awesome bridge, and I think you can see some massive gains. But I also think you see massive volatility on launch day. And when I say you, right, I'm not talking about you specifically, but I'm talking about everybody that buys into these pre-sales. Dude, it's almost like you're sitting there, you're biting your nails, your teeth are chattering, and you just can't believe what is happening. Oh my God, I can't believe this token actually launched. Sell it now. Sell it. Everybody said it was a scam and I can get my money back out. I got to sell it now. So the panic is what really does damage on the launch day. And all of those dudes that are super nervous, man, when they get out, look at Sloth Ona. This is what happens when they get out. So that's my game plan. You guys do whatever the heck you want to do, right? Let's see. Latest on Honorarium. That was the question that I had forgotten, Frank. That was the question. Honorarium currently sitting here at searching. As it's searching for that, I want to say, Brian Searing, thank you very much for the super chat. Hope all is well, Clay. Still out here grinding every day. Roaring Kitty tweets and everything goes crazy. Got airdropped a Roaring Kitty on Ethereum about 4 months ago, up 5,000% today. Crypto is nuts. Oh my gosh, dude. Well, incredible. Brian, man, that truly is insane, man. That truly is insane. A 50x increase that you're up on that. Very, very nice. Crypto is insane. Crypto is insane. And you know what? The stock market's insane as well. That kid sends out a couple of tweets today, and billions of dollars in valuation are created for AMC, GameStop, and so on. So, yes, I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Brian, thank you very much for the super chat. Brenton, thank you very much for clicking that subscribe button. Anybody who is new in here, please do not forget to subscribe. That subscribe button. Honorarium. All right, Honorarium sitting up 0.31% today. Not bad. 332 holders. You get $28 in volume today. Look, dude, after after 3E16 sells off here, look at this. After the initial rally, okay, you get your initial rally here. Let's just take it. The higher lows that have been hit. This is the exponential rally on the CoinMarketCap listing. CoinMarketCap guys selling back off. 3E16 selling off here. And what do you notice? Slow, steady growth. Now, I'll be the first to say it, right? The next exponential rally up could truly be because of Paul Chain, right? And if it does, 10, 20x off of Paul Chain, take some profit, man. Take some profit. Here's what you're going to see, though. The next level might not come all the way back down to this level right here. And that's the risk you run if you do take some profit, right? The next level from a 10, 15x increase, whatever Paul Chain's multi-chain technology brings in, you may come back down, but you may set up kind of a new trend line. And that's because it would be multi-chain at that point. So, yeah, dude, I think this is great. If you take out the CoinMarketCap rally, Honorarium has done nothing but slowly and steadily grow. No issues right there at all. Clearly, everybody wants an exponential rally higher, but slow and steady growth, man. Could be going from $180,000 market cap to $180 million market cap over the next decade if things continue just in the same direction right here. So, Honorarium still looking very good. Let's see. Which software are you using for indicators? So, Little Deeds, man. If you're talking about the lines on the top of the screen right now, this is Dex Tools, and I'm marking these charts up myself. I don't use any sort of like a trading indicator or anything like that that tells me buy now, sell now, hold now, and things like that. So the top of the screen, that is Dex Tools, 5.2 cents on Sloth Ona, ripping right back up to the intraday resistance, ripping right back up to where I got out, and eating up that 25% daily dip there. So Sloth Ona investors are doing insane right now. The middle of the screen is Webull. So if you're looking at the charts in the middle of the screen, hold on, I clicked on the wrong button. Look at the charts in the middle of the screen. You got Shiba Inu Coin and Bitcoin right there. That is Webull. Did we lose the stream? I hope not. It's got to go back on the table soon. And maybe getting back in the what? Cranioplasty game. What is happening now? Sounds like some brain surgery stuff, man. Buffered for a bit. Oh, what the heck, man. Sloth Ona Coin 007. Sloth Ona is the next 1000x gem. It's the Shiba of 2024. Let's get started. Sloth Ona Coin, man. I like the name. Let's see. How high can Shiba Inu Coin go? It could go very, very high. I don't know, right? The limit does not exist. Take it from Mean Girls, man. The limit does not exist. Let's see. I know. However, anytime they cut, my gosh, dude, I don't even know what's happening right now. Pudgy, are you okay? I really don't know what's happening right now. I just want to make sure you're okay, man. Let's see. What's up? Wanted to get into trading. Is it a good investment to buy some Shiba Inu coin? So, Tanya Fahim, let me put it this way. No. Okay, Shiba Inu coin is not an investment. So if you're going to be buying Shiba Inu coin, you need to understand that it is extremely speculative in nature, meaning that you're not necessarily investing in something. You're essentially betting that the overall community is continuing to grow or will continue to grow. So if you believe more and more people and more money will be attracted to Shiba Inu coin, then the answer will be yes. If you're talking about an overall investment, saying, I think that Shiba Inu coin is building this, and it will be one day worth this. It's impossible to do because there's no fundamentals for something like that. You'd basically be investing into the fundamentals of the overall crypto market or a very speculative trade based on growth of community and growth of resources. We're farming. Let's take it out. Can someone tell me? Tanya, I think I just did. Farmy, 81 cents. Man, dude, GameStop and AMC ripping today, and Farmy sitting down here at a little old 81 cents. Terrible news, man. Terrible news. Crow with Knife, about to rip. Carry, I hope it does. Wrecked Finance coming out 21st to 22nd. Brenton, man, make that money. By Honorarium and Paul Coin on release. And it could do very well on release, man. Kendu, we got 1 minute. Kendu Inu, yeah, we got 1 minute, man. Let's look at Kendu real quick. And Kendu can't do. Kendu can do. I keep on clicking on the wrong buttons, guys. Sorry about that. Kendu Inu. Kendu setting up 20% on the day today. This daily graph is phenomenal, man. Yesterday, a hard pullback to this level of support right here at 4 zeros and a 1.7. Already 3x gaining from those levels to come back up and test these all-time highs. So Kendu Inu looking very good, guys. And listen, if you're coming in from the Kendu team, please make sure, click that subscribe button. Bulldog Trading, what's going on, man? Haven't seen you in a very long time. AMC looking very good today. GameStop looking very good today. Let's hope that Adam Aaron doesn't come out and ruin things. Guys, thank you very much for clicking that subscribe button. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shoutouts, and we will be back this evening with videos. Please watch them. Click the links on them. Appreciate you guys. Dead serious, man. Just clicking links and stuff like that, or watching and clicking a like button, you guys literally change lives, man. So thank you very much for all the support. You guys know how important it is. Let's do some shoutouts, man. Kendu Inu, see you later, man. Crypto Tyler, have a great one. Sarah Dahl, see you later. Bulldog Finance, make sure to follow that guy. Have a great evening, man. Ivan, have a great one. Highs of shots, see you later. Ivan, Kendu, Nigev, good afternoon to you. Crow with Knife, Virality, see you later. Moji, have a great evening, Moji. Mike, see you later, Mike. Kendu, Muhammad, see you later. Peace out to J Bones as well. Dark Bro, man, see you later. Tanya, see you later. By the way, where do I start? You got plenty of links in the descriptions of all of my videos for centralized exchanges. Probably the easiest place to start. Carrie, thank you. Very, very nice. Crow with Knife, thanks you. Well, I don't know if Crow with Knife thanks me or not, but I do thank you very much for the super chat. Let's pull up Crow with Knife. Let's pull up Crow with Knife on the way out here. And yeah, Crow with Knife doing a very good job to bounce back today. Coming up nicely off of that support line yesterday, touching resistance today, pulling back. Could once again set up another buy opportunity bouncing off of this yellow support line here. So, Carrie, thank you very much for the super chat. I do appreciate that. Ferris Volt, see you later, man. We got Mats, we got DD214. Mike, thanks to you, man. Muhammad, have a great one. Mario, Manabianco, see you later, Mario. Timmy, rule of thumb. Meme coins are lottery tickets, not savings accounts. Play memes, invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and large cap coins, and trade. Old man advice. Tim, dude, I love it. Did very, very well on Sloth Ona today. Maybe should have gotten back in on that little dip. I don't know. Only time is going to tell, but did very, very well on Sloth Ona today, man. Tim, have a great one. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. And thank you very much for the old man advice there. Kendu, have a great one. Kendall, see you later. Gorilla Moji, Frank, Dollar Baby. Oh, yes. FLR, Tanya, Negative Man, Mario, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.